Imagine pulling up to your favorite Wendy's, only to see the doors locked forever. In 2026, this is hitting hundreds of locations. Wendy's is closing up to 358 stores in the first half of the year alone. Papa John's is shutting down around 300 underperforming spots, with at least 200 gone this year. This is just the start. Fast food is changing forever. Your favorite chains could vanish soon. Stick around, because I'm exposing the big names in real danger, and the shocking reasons why. Welcome back to Fast Food Facts, where we reveal the truth behind your favorite eats. Today, Fast Food 2026, these chains might disappear forever. Shocking reasons. 2026 is crushing the industry. Inflation bites hard. Labor costs soar. GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic mean fewer people eat out. Value menus flop. Outdated spots can't compete. Chains that don't adapt disappear fast. Closures are at record levels, and the giants are hit hardest. First, Wendy's. This square patty icon plans to close 5 to 6% of U.S. locations. 298 to 358 stores in the first half of 2026. Sales struggle in weak areas. Old tech, slow service, brutal competition. The interim CEO is clear: close the losers to save the rest. For fans, your local Frosty spot could be gone overnight. Next, Papa John's. They're closing about 300 underperforming North American locations by 2027, at least 200 this year. Staff cuts of 7%. Costs slashed everywhere. Pizza wars are deadly expensive ingredients. Fierce rivals like Domino's. If your Papa John's looks empty, it might not make it through 2026. It's not just burgers and pizza. Noodles Company closes dozens more. Torchy's Tacos, Joe's Crab Shack, Peet's Coffee Trim Spots. Applebee's shutters, old ones for hybrids. Starbucks restructures. Hooters, Boston Markets, some Denny's and Red Robin feel the heat. The pattern: strong get leaner, weak vanish. Why care? Fewer spots mean longer drives. Higher prices, less choice. Cheap everywhere. Fast food is fading, but survivors like McDonald's thrive. AI drive-thrus. Protein menus, global growth. Only the adaptable win. Is this the end of affordable fast food on every corner? Or just evolution? Which chain do you think is next, or which one must survive? Drop it in the comments. Wendy's? Papa John's? Your local favorite? If this shocked you, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and hit the bell. More fast food secrets, myth-busting, and real-time 2026 updates coming your way. Don't miss when the next big closure drops. Thanks for watching Fast Food Facts. Stay hungry for the truth. See you in the next one.